sorry. Good.
Hi, I'm Louise Chopiak. I am the Strategic Accounts Customer Service Supervisor here at Metro. I've been with Metro for 22 years this year on July 1st. My experience with Metro thus far has been incredible. Metro is like a family. Upper management cares about their people. We have great leadership here, and I wouldn't be here this long if that weren't the case.
Hi, I'm Mike Luberski. I'm currently the business leader of Performance Excellence, and I've been with Metro for 18 years. The thing I like most about Metro is our people, our environment, our culture, our hybrid model. We are set up for success.
Hey, I'm Eric Surrow, Vice President of Sales for Commercial Products and Healthcare Divisions. The biggest thing I like about my job is the mixture of having a very solid, financially stable company mixed in with the entrepreneurial spirit that we have here across the whole organization of developing new products, looking at new paths to market, and not set in our ways as you would think many long traditional manufacturing companies are.
Hi, my name's Todd Buckley. I'm product manager. My team is outstanding. We always work together. Issues always come up, as they do anywhere. We come together, we sit, we come up with ideas, and then we move forward, and we're always better for it when we're done.
Hello, I'm Farad Cunningham, and I am a product manager here at Intermetro. Did you get the spin? So personally, I've grown an immense amount professionally based on having a lot of meetings, how to communicate with people, certain ways to email people, things to do, things not to do, how to go about certain things. So being at Intermetro, I've learned an immense amount on me personally and professionally.
Well, my name is Anna Sanguinetti, and I've been with Metro for 5 years, and I'm a territory manager for the Northwest area. Part of the mission that I most connect with is really our corporate responsibility. I was really taking a look at our mission statements, and the reason why this one resonated more for me is because it's doing the right thing by your employees, your company, the environment, and then your future leaders within the company. So it really is an umbrella of everything else. So our corporate responsibility, not only to our investors, but really trickle it down to as minimal as in the future, what is our environment going to look like in our corporate structure, and our employees that are going to come in. That one really resonates with us because it's so broad, but yet right next to it, you have another word next to it that's ethics. So obviously it means that it's doing the right thing even if nobody else is going to watch. So that's one of the ones that really resonated with me.